John Ozzy here, reviewing Ayivor's account, the head of training and development at AudaCity Capital. Ayivor's been with us from the 5th of February 2021 up until the present date of 29th of April 2021. Reviewing Ayivor's trading history. Previously in the past, I've reviewed this video as I remember this trader, and the trader has now gone on to level 3 from 15,000 to 30,000 and now on to 60,000 US dollars. We can see this trader has maintained 21.06%, a daily gain of 0.23%, and a monthly drawdown of 3.22%, which is a big improvement from the last time. And as you can see, minus 0.12% drawdown here and 0.35% minus deficit. So this trader has definitely improved from the last time around, and more importantly, preserving the balance. So the trader has taken a total of 311 trades to date. Now we see the best trade taken was on the 9th of March for $114.15, and the worst trade taken was for $198.80. So looking at the journey from when our trader started, if we quickly go back from February, we got 4.08% account growth, March 8.6% growth, and in April 7.06 growth. So as we can see on the average gain, the account has been growing at a steady state and never been at a deficit. So this trader has done extremely well to preserve the balance and have good money management with an executed trading plan. As always, let's look at the analytics of the actual trades that have been taken. We can see this trader has been very successful trading the pound US dollar, where we can see 90% of the profits have come from this pair on its own. We traded 98 trades on the long side, where we had 1,567.57, and 137 on the short side, giving a grand total of $2,736.65. So a total of 235 trades, giving a percentage rate of 75% won and only lost 59, so that's 176 to 59. This is very good, and I recommend you stick to the pound pair, the pound US dollar pair moving forward, because you've done very well to achieve this milestone, and congratulations. Now, the journey doesn't stop here. Now, you need to focus on your psychology and your mindset, because focus on your long-term goals. Keep doing what you've done before, but this time you have to adjust your strategy and lot size according to your new risk profile, because as your account gets bigger, your risk profile will change and your strategy must always stay the same, but your lot size and your risk profile will definitely change because you'll be trading a higher lot size and having more trades. So it's very important to have the mindset and emotions in place. Just like any job, trading comes with risks and emotions. Learning how to control your emotions is crucial in this business, and becoming a profitable trader, you have to master your mindset. I recommend reading books by Mark Douglas like Trading in the Zone. That's a very good book to help you build up that mindset. And the mind is like a muscle. You have to train and develop it as well as you're trading the actual FX markets, because trading is at least 85% psychology. And I always say and quote on my reviews, you can be right or wrong and still end up in profit. So bear that in mind. That's just a recommendation and tip I always like to give. And looking at your profitability, you've won 226 out of 311 trades. So your strategy is 73% effective, and you've lost 85 out of 311, which gives you a 27% loss rate. So you're above average trader. You're very good at what you do, and you can only be better. So we can look at a few of your trades, and hopefully you can do me justice, but as always, the same thing I see over and over again. Traders don't like to use stop losses. And when I look at the time frames you've held your trades for, you've got some you've held for 6.5 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours, like 15 hours, that's like half a day. But you don't have a stop loss in place. This is very dangerous, especially when you're trading this pair. I don't know if you stay up all night watching the market being in front of your screen, but it's very dangerous trading without stop loss. And again, it exposes you to the drawdown side of things. And when you lose control of the drawdown, you're going to have different things going through your head. And this is where the emotional balance comes into play. You're either going to win big at some point trading this way, or you're going to lose, and that'll lead to euphoria or hero syndrome. Then you feel like, oh, I FOMO, I can't miss out. I need to make up the money I lost. You always need something important to pull you back to your goal. And that way is always to have balance and risk control. And a stop loss is very important, no matter how good you are. Never trade without a stop loss, because the moment you lose control or the market goes against you, all the hard work goes to ruins, and you're going to be on that FOMO stage, or you're going to have mindset issues, and you're going to be all over the place. Trading is very simple. Know when to get in, know when to get out, and make sure you get at least two times what you're risking. Because with good money management, which you've got, you can only be a better trader. But moving forward, you can be an excellent trader if you utilize your stop loss, because a stop loss is important, and I'll keep on reiterating the stop loss of being important. The reason why I believe the stop loss is important, because as you go on to the higher levels, you have to learn how to control the market, control your trades, because dealing with bigger numbers will always play with your mindset and your emotional intelligence. So when you have the practice now of keeping a stop loss in place, it will be easier going on to the later stages. Even the best of our best traders on the high level, some of them don't use stop losses but still get results. But I always reiterate, as a trader, you want to be better and you want to be in control. It only takes one bad day, an unexpected market decision, to just put all the hard work into flames. So I always recommend a stop loss. Also, clearly you've got something that works for you. So I'll re-emphasize on money management, stop loss. Always be holding that stop loss in place to protect yourself from the drawdown. Have your checklist, hold yourself accountable for your actions, and keep on developing as a trader. And please take my tips on board. It's not taking nothing away from your achievement, it's only going to make you a better trader. And I look forward to reviewing your account when you get to 120,000. This is a very good attempt, and I'm impressed with your achievement. But I always believe, as a trader, even myself, there's always room for improvement. And I wish you all the best.